So we got new downspouts and gutters. Look really good. That was worth it. So in the back now, downspouts and gutters routed a little more appropriately. And I'm going to have the painter come back and touch up his missed spots because he didn't take the downspouts off when he originally painted it. There's some shifting spots. Overall, this does really look pretty decent now. It's getting somewhere. Here in Fairlawn, we got the second coat on these cabinets. Starting to really look good and white. The paint is wet everywhere. We got the gray on the walls. Ceilings are white. There's a couple spots we got to hit. So really, once you add trim to all the doorways, and everywhere throughout, and we put flooring in, this place will be really looking good with covers. This is getting blacked out over here, whiting. So back on this eylria project, waiting on the city to get approval on permits for the deck we're putting on here. New garage door in, looks so much better. A lot better. Show you inside. So here's obviously the inside of the garage door. In here is the kitchen. The reason the windows are masked off is they're steel windows, and it wasn't in the investor's budget to do new windows. And since it's a block house, they're steel windows. So we're doing a mask off and we're spray painting them. Make them look the best they can. This was all paneling down this hall and everything. So did new drywall, new light fixtures. In here, it's just paint, flooring. This trim is existing. This stayed because, believe it or not, the electrical is actually in the trim. This wall is blacked out. It just needs cut in. I'll get to the basement. The basement was real nasty. That's amazing how good this came out. I'll get down there shortly. Basically, I'm waiting on my plumber to set up all the rest of the fixtures. I was really busy at the time and subbed some of it out. So, like, setting up the faucet, the drains, setting the toilet, setting the vanity. We do it all in-house, and I even actually just subbed him this entire bathroom. So he's doing the drywall in here. That's why everything else is painted but in here. So he really should have been here today. I'm not sure where he is. But once the vanity and everything's set in here, this will basically be done. It's not much work. Bedrooms, very basic, just carpet, new electrical and paint, right? Existing doors stayed. Did some LVP in this closet. Some closets also have carpet in them. In this other room, it's the upstairs. We got carpet into the closet in this one instead of LVP. So going through here, just basically dropped carpet upstairs, mask off windows for paint, new door handles, doors. This is actually a new door. This is the only door I think that was fixed, replaced. Light fixtures, electrical, right? Registers, and then like this one has LVP in this closet. So, yep. What's going on? Quite a bit of painting. I'm in the basement now, right? So this was all loaded with mold because there was a water problem. So this basement got waterproofed. Blacked out floors, or blacked out ceilings, white walls, and then the whole basement was waterproofed. And then this is going to get painted. You can see around the edges, the fresh concrete. That's the sump location in the corner now, and then that pumps out to the backyard. There is a bathroom down here. We're going to get that working. Basically, you won't even be able to tell where the waterproofing got done once the floor is painted. So it's amazing what paint will do. I mean, this place is literally unbearable. So we're in good shape.